Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 2 to the power of square root of x equals 1 divided by 8 raised to the power of x. So, let's consider this if you have a divided by b raised to the power of c. This equals a to the power of c divided by b to the power of c. Applying this right here, that means we have 2 to the power of square root of x equals 1 to the power of x divided by 8 to the power of x. Now, if you have 1 to the power of x, irrespective of the value of x, 1 to the power of that number will give you 1. So irrespective of this value of x, you are still going to have 1. So 1 to the power of x is the same thing as writing 1. That means we are going to replace this 1 power x with 1. So right now, we are going to have 2 power square root of x equals 1 divided by 8 power x. Now, if you have 1 divided by 8 to the power of n, this equals a power negative n. So, applying that here, we have 2 power square root of x. This equals 8 to the power of negative x. We have to make sure that these two bases here are the same. 8 is the same thing as writing 2 times 2 times 2, and that is 2 power 3. So we have 2 power square root of x equals 2 power 3 to the power of negative x. So, if you have a power x to the power of y, this equals a power x times y. We have 2 power square root of x equals 2 power, this is negative 3x. Now, if you have a power n equals a power m, this and this are the same, meaning n equals n. So right now, these two bases are the same. We now have square root of x equals negative 3x. So what we are going to do will be to isolate this x. So we take the squares of this equation. Now, let's eliminate this because if you have square root of a to the power of 2, this simply gives you a, because square root of a is the same as having a power 1 over 2. When you raise this to the power of 2, you have a power 2 over 2. And this equals a, because 2 over 2 is 1. So applying same here, we have x equals, for this one here, we will distribute this for each of the terms here. Have negative 3 to the power of 2 times x to the power of 2. From here, we have x equals, this is 9 times x squared. And from here, we have x equals 9x squared. So we can decide to divide each part of this equation by x. X divide x, I have 1 equals 9x squared divide x, we have 9x because this is to the power of 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1. Because the bases are the same, you subtract the exponents. So to solve for x, I can rearrange and have 9x equals 1. I isolate x. Dividing this by 9. Dividing this by 9. 9 eliminate 9. Have x equals 1 over 9. Now at this particular point again, I can simply move x over here. This will give me 0 equals 9x squared minus x. If I rearrange this, I have 9x squared minus x equals 0. I can factor out x. Have x times this divide x, I have 9x minus x divided x, I have 1 equals 0. So from here, I can have x equals 0. I have 9x minus 1 equals 0. So to solve this one here, I move this down here. I have 9x equals 1. So isolating x, I divide this by 9. I divide this by 9. This eliminate this, I have x equals 1 over 9. So x equals 0 and x equals 1 over 9 are my two solutions. So let's go ahead and verify this. So we have x equals 0 and x equals 1 over 9. So this is 2 power square root of x equals 1 over 8 to the power of x. And my x is 0. I substitute this for x, so I have 2 power square root of 0 equals 1 over 8 raised to the power of 0. 2 power square root of 0 is 0 equals 1 over 8. This is 1 power 0 divided by 8 power 0. I just distributed this to each of the terms there. So from here you have 2 power 0 equals 1 power 0 is 1 divided by 8 power 0 is 1. And 2 power 0 itself is 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. Remember, any number raised to the power of 0 is 1, exception of 0 itself. So 0 is a valid solution. Let's check when x equals 1 over 9. 2 power square root of x equals 1 over 9 or 1 over 8 to the power of x, where x is 1 over 9. So we have 2 power square root of this is 1 over 9 equals 1 over 8 raised to the power of this is 1 over 9. This we can have it as square root of 1 divided by square root of 9 equals. This is the same thing as having 8 power negative 1. Remember, 1 over a is the same thing as having 8 power negative 1. And this is raised to the power of 1 over 9. So from here we have 2 power square root of 1 is 1 divided by this is 3 equals 8 is 2 power 3 is raised to the power of negative 1. And this is raised to the power of 1 over 9. And remember, a power x to the power of y equals a power x times y. So let's multiply this out. This is 2 power 1 over 3 equals 2 power this is negative 3 This is 1 over 9. So from here we have 2 power 1 over 3 equals 2 power negative 3 times 1, that is negative 3. This is negative 3 over 9. This cancels, so 1 comes with this. We have 3. We have 2 power 1 over 3 equals 2 power negative 1 over 3. Are you seeing it? Here we have 1 over 3. Here we have negative 1 over 3. But the bases are the same, meaning that this and this are not the same. So this actually means that this particular value of x has not satisfied the equation perfectly. So we might not consider that one step. So the only solution we are going to consider is x equals 0. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.